Alright, we are just getting on with our walk. We're always on Critter Watch. Yesterday, Critter Watch got real. We ended up going on a night walk. And when we went on the night walk, it was terrible because these coyotes, they came out and they were howling and it was horrible. And we were scared. And on top of that, I didn't know what to do. Chong got real quiet. And after he got real quiet, he literally didn't say nothing and he nudged me home. So there's going to be no more walks after 9 o'clock. I guess where we live, it's a rural part and there's a lot of coyotes. So thank God he's indoor and outdoor trained. So I could do either or and I'm fine. But that was scary. Okay, I got home and I decided I got him a new shirt. I thought he would be excited. Okay, we are on lookout over here at this other wooded area. I hear a lot of crickets. And some birds. Chong hasn't seen anything. But maybe we will soon, I don't know. It seemed like a prosperous area, but I guess it really wasn't. But it's been fun though. It gets you out of the house, gives you something to do every day. And it's fun because Chong's just an exciting dog. You never know where you're gonna end up. Usually it's at his favorite park doing insane things. So I'll probably make a movie and stuff in a little bit and I'll be posting later.